Con-crete University 101. Lesson number 4. Your rights. Right? Every person has basic rights as a human being. However, when you get pulled over or when you get arrested on your way to class, you definitely must know the difference between being detained for questioning and being arrested. Most enrollees will have these basic rights taken away. Many will freely give their rights away, and some won't understand the rights that will be given to them. That's right. Trickery, or trick knowledge, can come into play when you play the crime game. Trick off your moves, get caught, and don't know the rules of the law. Don't trick yourself. Know about it. Remember, ignorance of the law is no defense. What you don't know can and will hurt you. The first thing to know about being confronted by police is whether or not you are being arrested or if you are free to go. Seems simple, right? Wrong. Because most don't study what they need to know about being questioned by authorities, about what authorities may or may not know about them, For those who do know the who, what, when, where, and how of the subject matter, but don't know their rights about questioning and arresting, could very well tell on themselves or others without knowing. Some may not exercise their rights to know if they are arrested or free to go, due to being scared and intimidated once the red and blue lights of law enforcement approach them. In other words, some may unknowingly snitch, wanting to be friendly, out of fear that they may be guilty of something they don't want to be known or found out. For example, nearly everyone who watches television should know that everyone has a constitutional right to remain silent, because anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. This is your right, not an admission of guilt because you don't speak. You have the right to speak to an attorney first, whether you can afford one or not. Speaking to a lawyer first is to protect you from not knowing the legal criteria. Yet and still, many give up their right not to speak by trying to explain away their crime or to talk their way out of being arrested. You must remember that anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. This means that anything you say after your rights have been read will, not may or might, be used against you. This legal right was given to you for your protection, to keep things fair for you. Silence can't be quoted. Don't be a witness against yourself. If you don't know before you enroll, plead the fifth. Period and the end of that sentence. Trying to give answers to questions that you don't know or do not understand during an unexpected pop quiz can not only be embarrassing, it could lead to you failing your final exam before the late bell rings on the first day of school. Think about it. If that doesn't make sense to you, nothing else will until it does. The law only has to be right one time. You have to be right every time. Those are risky odds to bet on, doing what's right versus the penitentiary. Con-crete University 101. Take it from me, Dean Excel, be free. Excel and be free. Know before you enroll. Don't enroll to know.